Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Alipay login problems, verification and app errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Alipay app from the App Store or Google Play. Open your phone settings and set date and time to automatic to prevent verification code issues. Check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Turn off VPN or proxy apps because they can block Alipay security checks. Close Alipay completely and reopen it to reset the login session. Restart your phone to clear temporary system glitches affecting the app. Update Alipay to the latest version to fix known login and verification bugs. If the app still fails, clear Alipay cache from your phone's app settings. On Android, also clear Alipay storage only if you remember your login details and passwords. On iPhone, offload or reinstall the app to refresh corrupted app data. Try logging in with your registered phone number and double-check the country code. If you use email login, confirm the email is correct and check your spam folder for codes. Request a new verification code and wait at least 60 seconds before trying again. Do not spam the resend button, because repeated requests may trigger temporary blocks. Make sure your SMS inbox is not full, because a full inbox can stop code delivery. Check that your SIM card is active and can receive SMS and calls normally. If you are traveling, enable international roaming or use the local SIM linked to your account. Verify that Alipay has permission for SMS, phone, and notifications in your app permissions. Disable battery saver for Alipay so background verification and notifications are not restricted. If you see a network error, reset network settings on your phone and reconnect. If the app shows a security or risk warning, stop and avoid repeated attempts for a few hours. Use a simple device passcode and enable biometric login after you successfully sign in. If face or fingerprint login fails, disable it once and log in with password and code first. When identity verification fails, ensure your name matches your ID exactly and photos are clear. Take verification photos in bright light. Remove hats and glasses, and keep the camera steady. If the app crashes, delete it fully, reinstall, and log in again using the latest build. If your account seems locked, use the in-app help center and follow the account recovery steps. When contacting support, prepare your phone number, error screenshot, and the time the issue happened. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.